Welcome to Wonderful Island. I'm here with another episode today. Let's start our journey. We will explore the beauty of Wicklow Mountain, Kings River, Wicklow Gap, junction of 3 roads through the Wicklow Mountain. We reach at Hollywood village of Wicklow. We start going over a mountain. It's like we are flying in the air. Wicklow Gap is in east to west. We will be going through Wicklow Gap passes. Pass across to the Wicklow Mountain. Spectacular views of surroundings, blanket block and amazing. Wicklow Mountain giving us peace. Here is amazing Kings River. We take a break here to enjoy natural beauty of this place. The area here is deeply wooded and green, with the hills and mountains rising from the valleys. The view is breathtaking. Wicklow Mountain giving us peace. Spectacular views of surroundings. It seems like heaven in the earth. We're going towards to Wicklow Mountain. The Wicklow Gap is not so wide, but the natural view is outstanding. It's a gorgeous sunny day. After spending few minutes here, our journey began again. We are now at Wicklow Mountain National Park. We park our car at Turlough Hill Car Park. From here we start hiking. This road climbs up to Big Mountain. Whoa! We're floating over the cloud. The view is breathtaking. It seems like heaven in the earth. We're going now over the mountain. What an amazing scenery! Incredible feelings you can't believe. We take a break here to enjoy natural beauty of this place. Whoa! We're in Kingdom of Cloud. We are floating over the clouds. From here we start hiking. And stunning view all around. Many travelers come here today to enjoy the beauty. You can also visit here in the Laoghaire Mountain and the tour. What an amazing scenery! People who love adventuring like us can visit here. See the link in the description box to go this place. Hope that all you enjoy with us. See you next time with my new videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.